What's up guys and welcome to another quick speed test between the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and the Xiaomi Poco X3. As we know that the Mi 11 Lite is the lightest mid-range smartphone which have got attractive design compared to Poco X3. But if we talk about the specifications, so on both smartphones we get Snapdragon 730G chip and both are 6GB variant. So let's see the gaming performance to find out which is best and which one you should buy for heavier games in 2021. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And as always, starting from the boot up test, so here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one, as the Mi 11 Lite is a bit expensive than the Poco X3. But actually I like the design of the Mi 11 Lite, as you guys can see here. But the most important thing is the performance of a smartphone. So let's see. Well, you can see there was not a single second difference between both smartphones in a first boot up test, because as I told you, on both smartphones we get Snapdragon 732G chip and both are 6GB variant. But now we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test. So let's try these apps one by one on both smartphones and somehow find out the faster one between these two devices. Okay, so before starting the test, you guys can see both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. Before getting into application test, you guys can see here on the Mi 11 Lite we get 90Hz refresh rate display, while on the Poco X3 we get 120Hz refresh rate, and both are running on their highest settings. Now starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see the animations was a bit quicker there on the Poco X3, and it was about the same. Camera, well, this one goes to the Mi 11 Lite. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Mi 11 Lite and the Xiaomi Poco X3. Okay guys, so it was a quick comparison between the Mi 11 Lite and the Xiaomi Poco X3 NFC model, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones, actually the gaming performance of both of them was about the same because I didn't see any kind of difference between both smartphones gaming performance. So the conclusion is that if you are using the Poco X3 and you are thinking to upgrade to the Mi 11 Lite, I think you should just keep that thought because there is not a huge difference between both smartphones. But if you guys are thinking to buy any of them in 2021, then I will definitely prefer Mi 11 Lite because it have got attractive design and also the camera quality would be better of the Mi 11 Lite compared to Poco X3. Now the choice is yours, but I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.